Hey guys, it's Thursday, June the 20th. Hope everybody's doing good, having a good week. I got stopped out of the pound dollar, so that trade's over with. Before we get started, let's do the advertisements as usual. Just for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Use your own due diligence and do your own research. And you can lose some or all of your money. Trading currencies, Forex currencies, is risky, very risky. So make sure you do your, don't follow anybody blindly, and that includes me. So the pound dollar is in a sell at the moment, but it's still in the buy zone. It's just come back down to where the buy setup was. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it is a sell just yet. But there is an opportunity here to go long if it comes down any end of this candle. About halfway into it, I'm going long with a stop at the low right here. So it'll be a low risk trade, which I'm going to take if it gets down into that. If it runs away, it runs away. The Aussie dollar is in a sell right now. I am in that trade short. The stop is this arrow, not this arrow, because it's come down, took out the low. The stop is now this high right there, which is 66.77. Pound CAD, I'm not in this trade. Wish I was in this trade. Look at that move. Let's see what it looks like. Squeezing it from sell from back over here. Good move down. See, we came back down to the yearly pivot, which was support. It is now resistance. We had a lot. See how long it stayed there? Do you think that is not an important line right there? So I've had a lot of people tell me the daily and the weekly is more important. No, I have to disagree. This proves it. Not in that trade. Whoa, I wish I was though. You had one opportunity, two opportunities, and that was it. Pound yen, only looking for sales. There is a sell setup right now, but it does not look all that promising. Got to watch this though, because all I'm looking for sales. So there is an opportunity. This does come down. That would be my stop, not that, to make the risk lower. Euro New Zealand is in a sale. That's the one opportunity, was right there to get in, and now it's went down but kind of gone sideways since. Trying to go lower. Nothing to do on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, same thing. Nothing to do on it. We're going to squeeze it. Range. Nothing to do on it, because we're in summer trading now. So you got to be careful. A lot of this is going to happen. So during the summer, you got to take profits a little bit quicker than normal. I'm not talking about 5-10 pips either. I'm talking about, like on the pound 35, take it at 30. Aussie dollar is 25, take it at 20, and so forth. Just shrink them up, and then you can move the stop up, and then just, if it works like it's supposed to, then it works like a charm. Let's see. This is in New Zealand yen. Nothing to do on the pound New Zealand, by the way. It has a sell right now, but there's nothing there. Look what's ahead up here. And that's only 80 pips away. So you think we're going there? Good chances. Where I'm going to be looking to sell it is up there, close to that. Even though there's a sell set up here right now, this could be a short-lived sale before it pushes up higher. One last push. So again, it's like the pound yen. If this candle, if it starts coming down and taking that low out, then I'm going to go short. And the arrows will not be the high. This candle will be the high. That will be the stop. Euro Aussie is in a buy. I'm going to squeeze it. See how important that is? That's a yearly pivot, which was support and is now resistance. It went to it, off of it, to it, off of it, to it, off of it, and finally crashed through it. But it has made a buy opportunity on the Euro Aussie. I have to keep an eye on that, because this thing, if it pushes up, the stop will be right there on the buy. So I'm going to be watching that too. Could be trades later this afternoon or this evening during Asia session. Euro CAD is in a sell. There's a flush down right there, so there's going to be a retrace back up into here at some point. Not there yet, because I think, yeah, look where we're coming to. Looking for a buy somewhere in here. It's not there just yet, even though it says making a 1 hour buy signal. It's still got 23 minutes left, so anything can happen to that. Nothing to do on the Euro CAD. Pound Aussie. It's been in a sell. It has made a buy now. Got a little ways to go on it. Yes, we do. So the Pound Aussie is like the Euro Aussie. I'm looking for a buy opportunity. There's its flush down right there. Looking for it to retrace somewhere back up into here, which would be almost 100 pips from where it's trading right now. So I'm interested in going long on this, the Pound Aussie. CAD Yen, only looking for a sell. It is making a sell. But it's got 22 minutes left, so nothing to do on the CAD Yen. Euro Yen, only looking for sales. It has made a sell. I don't want to get in too many of these with the Yen, because I'm already looking at the New Zealand Yen and the Pound Yen. So the Euro Yen is making a sell too in here. So I got to keep my eye on that for possible sell. Aussie Yen, same thing. So all of those are possible sales, and that's all I'm looking for is sales on these against the Yen. Because low risk trade on these for sure. I thank you for the ones who subscribed here in the last 2 days. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. For those who haven't subscribed, please do. The only reason I ask is because it helps me to let me know that I'm helping you. I'm not trying to get 100,000 subscribers. I'm not trying to do that kind of stuff like most YouTubers are. Because I actually want to be able to help people. I don't want to suck you in and then not be able to help you. So thank you for those who have subscribed. For those of you who don't know, this may be your first time here. I do Forex swing trading. I don't do day trading, even though at times there could be a day set up on a trade during the daytime U.S. session, which is my time, Eastern time. So tomorrow's Friday. I will not have a video on Friday. So you guys have a good weekend. We'll be back on Monday with a video. For those of you who don't know, maybe your first time here, I don't trade on Fridays. Haven't for years, because the big boys don't trade on Friday, and people ask, how do I know that? Simple. All you do is look at the volume on Friday. It drops off drastically everywhere across the board. So why is that? Everybody's gone. The big boys, they're the ones that push the market. I'm not going to fight against the average Joe, the market makers. That's a fight and a losing battle. So I let everybody else handle that stuff, and I take my money for the week and go about my business and have a long weekend. Let the rest of them fight out 3, 4, 5 pip stuff and get stopped out, because that's what the market makers do on Friday. Try to stop you out. So we'll see you guys on Monday. Everybody have a good weekend.